Hi guys, have you ever experienced that the lock of your doorknob is stuck up? Just like this. Notice that this lock button did not release, but I can open the door from here, but supposed to be this lock button should release. Notice I cannot operate from the outside. The door still locked. See this one? It's not functioning. So it means that this lock button stuck up, even though I already released it from inside. So it should be pop up, but in this situation it's still locked up, so I cannot operate the doorknob from the outside. So whenever you go outside, you should always bring your keys. You don't need to hire or pay another person to troubleshoot this one, because this problem is very common on the doorknobs. You can do it for yourself. All you need to do is to press this lock button, press, and rotate counterclockwise, just like this, counterclockwise, and release. Let's try to open. As you see, the lock button has been popped up, right? So let's check if we can already open from the outside. Yeah, it's functioning now. So guys, that was very easy. And if you didn't get the desired result when you return clockwise, just continue rotating the lock button until you get the desired result. Bye.